I just want to show you guys real quick how to use the Google extension for Docs called Docs to Form. It's a great way to turn a question bank for a test into a functional um, forms document for your students to fill out. So the first thing you want to do is create a Google Doc and type some of your test questions in. You can use whatever format you like. I just like to number mine and have them in some kind of order. The next thing you want to do is come to add-ons. Um, right here is Docs to Form, but if you don't have this in there, you can go to Get Add-ons and then just type in the name of the extension that you want to use. So it's right here. You'd click on that. Click, I'm not going to click uninstall, but it would be blue and say install. And once you do that, it will be in your add-ons list ready to go. So once it's installed, you want to go to create form from doc. And then it's going to pop up this side menu. It's going to give you a couple of options. You can type in instructions. You can look at the instructions to see what you're supposed to do, or you can just get started. So the first couple options you have are collect username, ask for teacher name. I'm just going to click collect username and ask for name. And then from here, you can start formatting your questions. So the first thing you want to do is highlight the question you want to use, and then you can hit use selected text, and it'll just copy and paste that into the box. And since I have this question set up as multiple choice on the drop down menu right here, I can select multiple choice, and then it'll give you another box, add options separated with semicolons. So I'm just going to copy these and paste them into here and just backspace and add in my semicolons. All right. And then if you want to add another question, you just hit this and repeat the process. So you selected question. I'm going to put choose from a list for these and just kind of do the same thing. Remember to separate with semicolons. Oh, it says you could also do it on a new line. So either way, whatever flavor works for you. And then add a new question. Which of these describes a type of internal conflict? All of these are English questions because I teach English. And we want multiple choice. All right. And then a couple of short answer questions. And hit use selected. Okay. I'm just going to go through and set these to paragraph. So once you've got all of your questions and options imported over here, what you can do is then hit the button that says create form. And it's going to think for a little bit. And once it gets done thinking, it will generate your form. So then you just hit view form. And if everything went according to plan, you should have a functional test. All right, it looks like something, nope, this is good. It looks like it added in a couple extra questions, so I'm just gonna come in and delete those. Same thing happened here, so just delete that extra option. All right, and then you can come to settings, hit quizzes, make this a quiz, and they can see, but we don't want them to see the correct answers, and we'll just hit save. And now you have a fully generated quiz that is ready to be assigned.